Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. I'm Joe and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra money, and this is just one video in a series of 9, so in total you'll see 80 plus ideas for you to make some more money. All you need is either a computer or a phone with internet access, or the ability to walk around your local town or city, because all the things I'm going to tell you about you'll be able to do with the skills you already have or are new jobs that are easy to start. In this video I'm going to show you 9 jobs where you can start making some serious money almost immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the alert bell. Each week I'll be posting new videos, so don't miss out on the opportunities I'll be posting in the coming weeks. If you work a normal 9 to 5 job, then all you can earn is your wage. Maybe if you're lucky you can get the occasional bonus, but most of the time all you'll get is set pay. This is known as an active income, as you can't really change to a great degree your monthly wage. You only get paid for the work you complete. In this video I'm going to show you several ways you can increase this active income, but I'm also going to tell you lots of ways to make a passive income. With a passive income you could be asleep or out with your friends and you'll still be earning money. How cool is that? With most passive income models, all you have to do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep coming in, with no other work needed, other than doing some marketing for what you or other people have made or a product or service you are promoting. Before we start, let me tell you that the websites or companies that I'm suggesting in this video are all from personal experience of actually using them, or someone that I know has recommended them to me. I will tell you if it's an affiliate link to any of the sites, but again, I'm only recommending links because of personal use or recommendations. You'll be able to find links to any of the sites I mentioned below in the description. So let's get going. 28. Become an influencer on Instagram. Build up a following on your Instagram account and you could quickly be making extra money online. Major brands, companies and even startups are willing to shell out good money per post to get in front of your audience. While it's getting harder and harder to build a massive Instagram audience, if you already have a solid niche and are posting quality content regularly, with a few small tweaks you can make yourself an influencer. 29. Sell your arts and design. While Etsy is great for homemade goods that you've already created, if you've got a killer design that would look great on a t-shirt, phone covers, wall art or bedding, you can sell them on a site called Society 6. Society 6 lets you upload designs and create your own shop. This means one design can be used to make a whole range of products that are printed and shipped on demand whenever someone buys from you. Some of the top creators are making thousands every month just from selling their designs. 30. Local business consulting. If you've developed valuable skills and have picked up certifications within your industry over the years, offering your consulting service to local business owners can be a great way to make money. Whether you're an expert marketeer, a business strategist, or a manufacturing guru, there's likely to be a local business owner who's willing to pay you to help them solve an issue within their company. Start by putting together a list of your skills and then get along to some business events or conferences where company owners will be, and then start networking. Alternatively, you could put a leaflet together and start walking around popping them through the doors of local businesses. 31. Rent out your home or spare bedroom. Airbnb is a great way of making extra money by renting out a spare bedroom or even an entire house or apartment. Even better if you're near a tourist attraction or the coast. Just make sure you have all the right insurances for your home and that you don't mind having strangers in your house. But don't make the mistake of thinking this will be a passive source of income. You're on call whenever there's a guest around and you'll always need to keep the place clean for incoming visitors. On top of renting on Airbnb, consider offering guests some added extras. Renting out bikes, making up picnics, guided tours or an evening meal. 32. Start an online t-shirt business. People love t-shirts, and with the right niche, marketing and tools, you can create an online t-shirt business that makes you extra money online while you sleep. Services like Teespring make it easy to create a t-shirt dropshipping business, where they handle sales, printing and shipping, leaving you just to design the t-shirts. With this flexibility, you can react quickly to trends or newsworthy events. and move to get them printed quicker than if you had to do it all yourself. 33. Sell your expertise on clarity. If you've got experience or expertise in a specific area of business, there are hundreds, if not thousands of business owners who would love to have someone on hand at the end of a phone to call and be able to pick their brains. This could be an easy way to make some extra money and to hone your skills to use in your consultancy or freelance business. Sites like clarity.fm let you create a profile where entrepreneurs and business owners can pre-book to book a phone call with you just for a set amount of time. Whether you're an expert in raising money for startups, running marketing campaigns, or you have a set of skills in a particular niche of business, you can make extra money selling a few minutes of your time to people in need. 34. Answer professional questions on Just Answer. Information and expertise are two of the most consistent and lucrative ways to make extra money online. If you don't like talking on the phone like you would with Clarity, you can sign up to get paid to answer professional questions on a site called Just Answer. There are thousands of questions being asked every month from people looking for help from lawyers, doctors, mechanics, vets and more. To apply, all you'll need to do is supply your professional qualifications, a resume and a form of ID to get started. 35. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organisation, you can make money online as a virtual assistant and help business owners sort out their day. A virtual assistant will do all sorts of things such as keeping boss's diary up to date with meetings, etc., bookkeeping, research, database entry, booking travel and managing email. It's a great way of building up your professional network and of course grow another stream of income. You can find virtual assistant jobs on 36. Get a commission-only sales gig. If you're willing to take some risk and be a bit of a hustler, you can make extra money doing commission-only sales for startups or other businesses. While you won't get a regular salary, with the right sales strategy, you can make decent money for each sale you bring in. And if you're working with startups, you can negotiate a slightly higher percentage than you might be able to with a more established company. Head over to AngelList and see if there are any open sales position opportunities aligned with your interest. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.